How to delete thousands of emails from Yahoo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail on your device and log into your account. Then at the top, simply click on All. After that, all your emails section will pop up. At the bottom, click on the square shape on the left side. Then at the top, click on square shape again, which will select everything. After everything is selected, click on the trash bin option, which is delete. Everything will be deleted and you'll find another email. You can repeat the same process by clicking on square shape, and square shape will appear at the top. Click on it and then click on delete at the top. Repeat this process until your Yahoo is empty. And this is how to delete thousands of email from Yahoo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.